We're just going to show you how to change the flow switch. The flow switch is just inside the heat pump, as you can see in there, the little black paddle, and it's got a nut on it, and that's connected to the heat exchanger. And that's where the water flows out of the heat exchanger. So if the heat pump comes up with a flow fault, the most common thing is the paddle is broken or the contact is broken. So we need to remove the flow switch. First, you need to turn all the water pumps off so you've got no pressurized water. And all you do is lean down in here, and they're all hand tight because they've got an O-ring. And you just undo that nut, and you actually, here we go, we pull the flow switch out, and as you can see, there's a little paddle there, and obviously the contact is broken in there. Now that wire goes back to the microprocessor. It is sometimes easier, rather than pulling all the wire out and finding the connector inside the microprocessor, to just cut the wire here and you obviously splice it and put a joiner on and make that nice and secure, and then you don't have to worry about going into this area here. So once you've done that joiner there, all you do is put the flow switch back in. It's got a little arrow here which shows you the flow direction. That flow direction has to be pointing towards the outside of the unit, so that's the way the water flows. And all you do is you put the flow switch back in there and you do it up. Now, in saying that, in some of the smaller heat pumps and the larger heat pumps require bigger paddles. So the brand new flow switch that you will get might have a longer paddle. So what you do is you compare the paddles, and you may have to cut the paddles to size. So whatever you take out and whatever you put in, the new one, you just cut the paddles so it's exactly the same length as this. And then we know it's not going to scrape on the bottom or get caught. That's it.